This is a demo for Cubik AI. So let's go to dashboard. We can create a new workspace. This will take some few seconds because we are setting up the deployment, also setting up the data. Meanwhile, I will show you, like, we can add team members. We have the workspace settings, logs. So here is the process. First, we are creating a workspace setup in Sol. Sol is our like the management software installed in the cluster. The Mira is the data set collection service. This is successfully deployed. Right now we are polling for service availability. I think it's completed. Here, let's create a new app. We can have chat, agent, code, or workflow. Right now I have a working chat app. Let's create a chat app. This is also creating a separate deployment in the cluster. While this is taking place, let me walk through the data part. Here is the data. As you can see, here is the deployment settings. Right now it's running on CPU 2 and with minimum of 1 and maximum of 1 instance. We can change these and also change the instance later. Let's add a new data set. We have added a new data set. Let's add a new document. Upload a document. We can set up the chunk size and the overlap. So it will process the document into separate chunks and then create embeddings for each of them. So you can see the progress here. This is processed. So this will create a vector. Also now we can also change the individual chunks from here. This will reprocess and create the new embeddings for this. So you can see. Okay. This is the settings like the name, chunk size, the default top K results and score threshold. Also we can use the models here. Right now we are using nomic embeddings that are provided by us. You can also custom deployment. If you don't have one, you can create a new deployment, embedding deployment, and use that. Okay, we will include models from OpenAI. So we have metrics for this document process. Okay, now let's go back to our apps. It's successfully created. In the app section, we can create a new app. You can save the settings. Okay. We can select the data set to this prompt, and we can select the model. Right now we have llama 3.9 that is provided by us. Okay, save settings. And for embedding model we can use nomic embeddings. Okay, now we can chat from here. We can also change the deploying configuration as our database. Let's go to playground. Here we can test the prompt. Here in the API we have an API documentation. Also we can manage API keys from here. You can create new API keys. There are none right now. Okay. We have metrics for the app, direction of database. Okay. We will get separate types of statistics here, and also we can aggregate average so in the settings you can change the app settings. And now let's go to deployments. In the deployments, here are the deployments provided by us. Right now you can create these deployments, like this is the app deployment and this is the data deployment. We can create new deployment from these services, or you can create from custom services. Okay, it's currently under development. Or we can create a dedicated deployment from the serverless deployment. Sorry, this is disabled for now. We will get the deployment playground here. It's a bit slow for now. Okay, it is generating. Now let's go to API. Here we can, it is the API documentation. We can manage API keys. We can create a new cycle key. Create. Okay. I'm sorry, there is an error. And here is the deployment metrics. So that's it.